Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we will understand irregular shapes by performing the Intelli activity, that is to calculate the area of irregular shapes. From the Intelli Smart Box, take out the mensuration grid sheet and the pipes and connectors kit. Let's first understand what an irregular shape is. Irregular shapes are the 2D shapes having sides of varying length or having different angles. For example, this rectangular shape. All the angles of a rectangle are equal to 90 degrees, but length is different from breadth. That is, all the sides are not equal. Therefore, a rectangle is an irregular shape. This shape is also an irregular shape as it has varying lengths and different angles. We are going to find the area of such irregular shapes using the estimation method. Let's calculate the area of this shape. To build this shape, we need 2 pipes of category A whose length is 3 units each and 5 pipes of category B whose length is 4 units each. We also require 4 2-arm connectors, out of which 2 straight-arm connectors and 2 obtuse angled connectors, as well as 3 3-arm connectors. After connecting the pipes and connectors, our shape will look like this. Now keep it aside. Lay out the mensuration grid sheet on a table or a flat surface and place the shape formed on the mensuration grid sheet. Like this. Observe that the shape covers the space of some complete square cells and some partial square cells. We are going to find the area of this shape in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Count the number of complete square cells inside this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. (29, 30). There are a total of 30 complete square cells. Note that the area covered by these complete square cells is called the underestimated area. Step 2. Count the number of square cells which fall on or inside the boundaries of this shape. That is, count the number of complete square cells and partial square cells. Let's count the partial square cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 27, 28. There are a total of 28 partial square cells. As we have already counted the complete square cells and that are 30. So, the total number of square cells are 30 plus 28, that is equal to 58. Note that the area covered by these complete square cells and partial square cells is called the overestimated area. Now the last step. Step 3. Add the count of square cells obtained in step 1 and step 2, that is 30 plus 58, which gives 88. To find the estimated area, divide 88 by 2, which gives us 44. Therefore, area of this shape is approximately 44 square units. Ignore the remainder, if any, while dividing by 2. So, our little scientists, you must have understood the estimation method. Now let's find the area of this rectangular shape using the estimation method. Keep it aside. Lay out the mensuration grid sheet on a table or a flat surface. Place the rectangular shape on the mensuration grid sheet like this. To find the area of this rectangular shape, we will start with step 1. Count the number of complete square cells inside this rectangular shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. There are a total of 12 complete square cells. Step 2. Count the number of complete square cells and the partial square cells. Note here that there are no partial square cells. Only complete square cells are there. And the count of the complete square cells is 12. Step 3. Add the count of the square cells obtained in step 1 and step 2, that is 12 plus 12, which gives us 24. To find the estimated area, divide 24 by 2, which gives 12. Therefore, the area of this rectangular shape is 12 square units. Observe that finding the area by estimation method is efficient only when the given irregular shape covers complete square cells as well as partial square cells on the mensuration grid sheet. After doing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: visualizing irregular shapes, understanding irregular shapes, calculating the area of irregular shapes using the estimation method. Visualize maths with Alan IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.